Alright, so today we're here to test the theory is if heat gun here can make your Jeep fenders a little darker. Right now they're a little stale, so we're going to see if heat does the job of making them black and good looking again. So we'll warm it up and see what happens.
Maybe I should try it on the inside, huh?
Like a test, yeah.
I don't think it's hot enough.
Yeah, you gotta let it warm up. Alright, so doesn't seem to be making that much of a difference, but we are seeing a little bit of black marks here and there. Maybe try holding on it for a little longer. Yeah, not really much effect. Alright, so we notice if you go up and down, it'll start to make a little bit of a shine look come out of these fenders. Or yeah, if you do something like that. So it works. This might take a while to do the whole fender, and we got 4 of them. So stay tuned. Alright, so we've been doing the heat gun for like 10 minutes, and all we've been really able to do is like get this part of the fender decently black, and there's the rest of it. So it takes us a long time to do all 4 of them put together. So if I were to do this the right way, I would actually take the fender wheel off and maybe spray paint it black, or maybe just get some aftermarket aluminum ones. But yeah, I don't think the heat gun trick works too well on this old Jeep. So there you have it.